Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted guide for finding the most effective home and garden solutions. Today, we're reviewing what we call the best Captivator Fly Traps, the Catchmaster Outdoor Reusable Fly Jar. If you're tired of battling swarms of flies around your patio, yard, or trash areas, this product might just be your new favorite weapon. Let's jump right in. The Catchmaster Fly Jar comes ready to go out of the box. It's lightweight, made of durable plastic, and includes a powerful food-based lure that's designed to attract a broad range of flying pests. We're talking house flies, blue and green bottle flies, blowflies, flesh flies, and more. What sets this apart is its ability to catch thousands of flies using a non-toxic attractant. That's right, no pesticides, no sprays, no zappers, just an intelligent, odor-driven solution. Setting this up is simple. You just unscrew the top, add warm water up to the fill line where the attractant is located, screw the lid back on, and place it in your desired outdoor location. Ideally, hang it from a tree branch or set it a few feet above the ground. Just avoid windy spots. You want the scent to linger, not blow away. Direct sunlight actually helps the trap work better, intensifying the smell that draws the flies in. And here's the magic. Once flies enter through the cap's specially designed entry points, they can't escape. Within a few days, you'll start to see a major drop in the local fly population. It's an ongoing trap, too. When it's full, just dump the contents, rinse it out, reload with a fresh lure and warm water, and it's good to go again. Replacement lures are sold separately, making this a long-term, cost-effective pest control option. This trap is built for outdoor use, and that's where it shines. It does have a potent scent, that's by design, so you won't want it near doors or windows. But for patios, stables, garbage areas, or even campgrounds, it's an incredibly effective and safe alternative to chemical sprays. What really impresses us is Catchmaster's philosophy behind this product. They follow a science-backed approach they call intelligent pest management. Instead of blanket spraying harmful chemicals, they target the specific pests with proven behavioral strategies. Plus, the fly jar is proudly made in the USA, supporting quality manufacturing. So if you're looking for a reusable, pesticide-free, and extremely effective solution for fly control around your home, we highly recommend the Catchmaster Outdoor Reusable Fly Jar. It's easy to use, it works fast, and best of all, it keeps working with minimal effort on your part. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more hands-on reviews. And let us know in the comments what pest problems you'd like us to tackle next. See you next time.